Have you ever thought that an awards program is like a three-course meal at a fancy restaurant? The application phase is the appetizer that welcomes you in. The evaluation phase is the main course where all the flavors blend. And the announcement of winners is just like a dessert, a sweet celebration of success that leaves everyone craving more. So let's share that fancy meal together and explore the main phases of an awards program. Today, we'll give you an overview of the three main stages. But in future videos, we'll dive into each one of them individually, exploring them in greater detail. Starting off with the first phase, the application, which marks the beginning of every awards program. Here, applicants submit their nominations or entries for consideration. The application process has two main stages: registration period, aka call for entries, and entry submission, which is when the entrants work on and submit their applications. These stages can either overlap or occur sequentially, depending on the structure and timeline of the awards program. If you use an awards management software, you can effectively set up these two phases to create a seamless application process. And to top it off, if your awards are paid, you can add the payment option at registration, which, according to an insightful study we did here at Evalato, tremendously increases the average submission rate of your program. Before this stage begins, however, you need to have everything well planned and prepared. Decide on and set up a convenient application process, prepare and finalize the application forms, develop clear and comprehensive guidelines and eligibility criteria. At this point, you must also ensure that you provide a user-friendly and intuitive application platform to streamline and simplify the submission process for entrants. Once this stage is live, it's time to utilize your marketing channels to promote the program effectively and attract a diverse pool of entrants. Now is also the time to offer assistance if needed and ensure that all applicants submit their applications by the deadline. Once the application phase is over, the evaluation stage commences, which is when all of the submissions need to be evaluated. Let's go over everything you need to have ready for this stage to run smoothly. First, you must choose who will be evaluating the entries, a review team or the public, or maybe both. Second, you should set very clear and defined evaluation criteria, which should align with the goals and objectives of your awards program. Third, you must decide on and set up the evaluation process and method, whether it will be criteria-based score voting or simple voting, or maybe your evaluation process will require more than one round to issue the winners. You need to have all of that set up and ready for your judges or the public to have their say. Fourth, settle on how the judging process will happen. Is it going to be online, live, and in real time, or maybe a combination of both? Fifth, if you're going to have judges, you need to select and invite them way before the judging phase begins. Take your time with this step, as they are the main force that is going to select the winners of your program, unless you're doing a public voting contest. Last but not least, you need to have custom terms and conditions as well as non-disclosure agreement forms for your judges. Once the evaluation phase starts, you need to follow through with your reviewers if they need assistance and ensure that they are completing their tasks in a timely and responsible manner. Finally, we reach the most anticipated stage of announcing the winners, which brings together excitement and recognition while showcasing the achievements of your applicants. Just like the other two stages, it's essential to lay the groundwork for the following events beforehand. Most importantly, you need to have a plan for your announcement. Choose how and when you will be announcing the winners and distribute that information. Whether you're going to do a live award ceremony, a virtual event, a hybrid format, or choose to announce the winners some other way, you need to have that figured out in advance to ensure that you have enough time for preparation and execution. Your announcement strategy should be captivating and help you build anticipation. Ensure all winners are notified in advance and provide them with all the relevant details regarding their recognition. And when the time comes, execute the announcement with precision and flair, making it a moment of celebration and recognition. This is one of the most exciting stages of the whole award management process, as it's the culmination of the hard work of the organizers and the applicants. Now you can clearly see that each stage of your awards program presents unique opportunities for success. By understanding and effectively managing all phases, you can create an experience that captivates participants and inspires the industry. And you have come to the right place to learn how to achieve all of that. As we already mentioned, we have full chapters on each of the award program phases, giving you a better understanding of how they work and showing you how to set them up.